Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of focus during your brain. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about focus during your brain app. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.